da Ilha Verde,青洲上街, street of Green Island. Macau, Rua da Ilha Verde, walking around Macau. Oh, 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 Rua da Ilha Verde, Green Island of Macau. Yeah, 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 Rua da Ilha Verde, rode around Green Island of Macau. Oh, 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 Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde. Little green island of Macau. Oh, 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 little green island of Macau. Oh, 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 little green island. Oh, 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 Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde, Ilha Verde, Ilha
Okay, so this is this right here is there's a university way up at the top of the hill. It's St. Joseph's. So it's kind of an interesting area. It's called Green Island. I generally don't film over here. There's a China side over there, so we're right next to that. And then our target street is directly down this way. So this is the one where we're going to be filming. So we'll put this up on the map so you can see what part of Macau this is at exactly. So stay tuned, and there's our sign right there. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so we're going to be going down Green Island Street. So Green Island, I think historically, I think there used to be like a salt factory up here. And this was, it used to be its own island, and then over time it just kind of became captured by the city of Macau just because of like filling, because all the silt comes down the river, and then these islands that were down here at the base of the river that goes all the way up to Guangzhou, the big massive Greater Bay Area, that would have brought down silt and such like that. Okay, so these are some small little alleys. This one, I'm not sure the name, but you can see they have some mechanic shops, different stuff like that. We're gonna walk all the way down Green Island, and I don't think I have filmed over here. I don't think I've ever filmed this street, but we'll kind of show you what it looks like today. We have more of these little side streets. I think this one is a Travessa, so that's a little Green Island lane. We got more mechanic shops up here as well. More little alleys down that way as well. Lots of people kind of hanging around. And I think all of those are relatively new apartments. Yeah, this area, Here's something called the Origin House. But yeah, I think on the street I just kind of noticed a lot of people just kind of lingering around. I think maybe they work in the mechanic shops and there's kind of a quiet day today. It's a holiday today. There's another little side street in here. We'll keep on going down. So I think some of these places are maybe open and some are closed for the holidays. There's our street name right there, Rua de Ilha Verde. I've been meaning to come out here and film because I usually don't come over here. That's also Travessa Day, so that all of these might be, all of them might be Travessa. So we have street and Travessa. We come all the way out to the end here. We also have our sign. So we're gonna come all the way to the waterfront right over there. I think that might be a police station, so. There's our Target Street, Green Island. Let me just see if we can come all the way out. So I don't know if these are, I don't know if I can come over here or not, but you can see that's, I think I can come over. Don't know if I'm on private property or what. So all of that is all part of Macau, all those tall buildings everywhere. And then there's Macau Tower, and then I think this is like, I don't know what it is exactly. But that's all Zhuhai. So Zhuhai, China is on that side, and Macau is on this side. And then right there, you can see this little boat right in the middle. That's like the replica of James Bond. So they had a movie, and that was supposed to be out in international waters outside of Macau in Hong Kong. And I think that is the replica of the original set right there. And you can see it from that coastline too, from actually all the coastlines. Okay, so we are gonna walk. Looks like they're also filming more over on this side as well. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know all these. I don't know if it's like. Okay, so that looks like that's something over there, but I don't know. Building something here too. Okay, and now on this side you can see the other side of the Green Island Travessa, Hua. So Hua is street. So Green Island Street, this is Green Island Street, and then down in those alleys are Green Island Lane, Travessa. And so yeah, I think they're building all these new apartments everywhere in this area. So I think these are all relatively new. Here's a little Travessa industrial park. I generally don't film over here, so there's all these streets that I've never filmed before in Macau and Green Island. And it looks like this is kind of a popular place for the cars to park. Okay. Well, anyways, maybe that's good enough. So yeah, this is Green Island Street. All these kind of older apartments and newer apartments. We'll end our video right there. Okay, so we'll end our street right there. So that's basically what we just did. We just kind of went down that side and came back. And then just give you some context. That over there is Green Island University is way up there. There's some interesting stuff there. And it looks like there's basically kind of a bus depot. So a lot of buses will be here. And there's also some like industrial park stuff in these other areas. Zhuhai, China is right over there. Anyways, we're basically right at the border. And we're gonna end the video for Green Island Street.